today I'm at Dubai in the Glendale International School for the ECTF EduTour Conference and Awards. We are so glad that Glendale has agreed to host this conference. We are a group of delegation from India, from Finland, from Nairobi, who's all joined together and visited schools in Dubai. It has been a wonderful experience from the 7th till the 10th, and today is the 10th, the final day, where we are doing a lot of brainstorming. There are a lot of topics that will be covered in this conference, and we have amazing speakers like Dr. Omar from the Education Department of the UAE. We have our keynote from Jasmeet Kang, and we have speakers like Amrit Nagpal, Darlin, who's traveled all the way from Finland, Amra, Babia, Dr. Mayuri, and this is going to be a really, really amazing conference because we are going to share a lot of the best practices happening all across UAE and in this world. I will also be presenting on my PSEP, Peace Pedagogy, the one that I have been training on, and I want PSEP to go a long way with the children so that we can make our future a beautiful and a peaceful world. We shall also be giving out the ECTF Earth Literacy Awards, the 6th edition, and here we have our awardees as well. I congratulate them. Yeah, so we'll have a look at this entire conference. I'll be, showing you tits and bits from here. So stay connected to the video till the end. See you there. Today, in this conference, we are dedicating the ECTF Earth Literacy Awards to our very dear Zubin Garg. And you can hear the music of Maya Bini playing while we are all getting ready for the conference. So Zubin has been a big inspiration for all of us, for all the Assamese, for all Indians, for everyone across the world. And I'm so glad that Glendale agreed to pay homage to him today, and in this conference will remember him. We have with us Dr. Omar, who's from the Ministry of Education UAE, as the distinguished guest here. And today's in ECTF conference, we'll be delivering the distinguished speech guest, and I would like to hear from him what he's going to talk about. You know, it's really interesting.
First of all, thank you very much for inviting me. This is a very interesting topic that I'm really happy to attend. What I'm trying to show in the 15 minutes I have is the United Arab Emirates context of approaching early childhood, and what are the expectations from the schools that I have experienced across the many past years. What are the challenges we've been through, for example, the pandemics that we've been through, and what the impact had on the children, and what were the best practices that I have seen happening. So basically, we're talking about some of the challenges, some of the best solutions that I've seen across the schools in general. Throughout the inspection early childhood framework.
So, how good do you think the work? How well it is progressing?
It is making progress, but it's not about how fast. It's about the quality of impact, because we're talking about the foundation, the early childhood, which is extremely important stage that will enable them, for the future. So we're making progress. We're working on, with experts. We're working on different, international, framework and approaches to make this best practice for the children.
Amazing. Thank you so much for joining us here today, and it's been a pleasure to have you. So, my ECTF Youth Squad member, one of our leading ladies, who's been so helpful, and she's also learning a lot. So, what's your experience of EduTour for?
So this is my third time here with Vasant ma'am at ECTF, and she mentioned that I have been presenting Youth Squad, and it has been always a great experience, the great exposure, the great learning about ECC, education, all the school visits are always great and a good opportunity to look around that.
Hey, Sneha, stay with us always.
Hi, Doctor. So it's so lovely to have you with us on the floor ECDF tour on so share your experience. Thank you. It's absolutely amazing. It's with you and getting to you and making friends and having a good time here in Dubai. But now today is the day that I'm really looking forward to speaking to everybody and sharing what I'm so passionate about. Just really improvement.
Gagan, how is your experience getting into your conference and awards?
I think the overall experience was extremely very empowering. I'm feeling much more empowered ever since 2 3 days. I'm learning a lot, and I really look forward that I can implement the same in my school and make sure that every girl is at the top.
Thank you for joining us. We're so glad to have you. So, how do you like this conference that we are going to do? I mean, we are yet to start, but what are your expectations?
Thank you first of all having me and my brother here. ये title international conference award ceremony in Dubai. We are here for some experience for the first time. Last year also we are about to join this conference, but due to some time but अभी हम यहाँ पे आए हैं तो we are expecting some good knowledge in the interaction हम कर रहे हैं education से बहुत अच्छे से हम से कुछ प्राप्त करेंगे ऐसा हमें आशा है.
And you are one of the awardees. The SMG group is an awardee in the Earth Literacy Awards. So I congratulate you, and we look forward to a grand award ceremony. And all the best to all your students.
Thank you.
School founder, and we created this kindergarten in nature. So I say we have to learn in movement. Movement is not to move on the balance board. Move is to go out. Move is to do any things in real life, like in Bali. They do a lot of things in nature. And also I created the development center, and I did a lot of research. My research topic is about mathematics skills. What helps to improve mathematics skills? Does really balance and coordination can help? This is my research topic. And now look at memory. Why short-term memory and why attention? As we all know, this is very, very necessary to calculate, multiplicate, to read, to understand instruction, to pay attention what I'm going to read about. All our life is just about attention. Also, you can pay attention to me because your brain say to do it. And what helps to increase attention? As we all know, it's awareness, to be aware of things, what I feel, what I think about, where is my attention, to be aware of things, what is happening around, and also movement. Not just running around. Movement, what increases cross-coordination, motor coordination, and balance. This is my puzzle. When I worked in school, I said I will be teacher till my end of life, because I love to be a teacher. And I said to my father, please create this balance board. It will be more easy for me to work. Because I started to walk, like walk, cross your fingers, cross your arms, cross your body, and we were training and learning multiplication or other things. I was so tired, and father helped me. He created this balance board.
So Amrit is a core member of ECDF. She doesn't need an introduction. And today she's with us in the Edu Tour. So Amrit, what's your experience?
To be very honest, I have been present with ECDF all throughout the past 6 months. Supported together, and each educate has been such an immense learning experience. And we've traveled to so different countries like Thailand, Greece, Bali, Jakarta, Shiripon. We've seen so much of schools that showcase their their own culture. Today we are in Dubai and we've had amazing school visits the last 3 days. We've seen schools that focus on Reggio Emilia, Swedish schools, and today we are talking about Israeli curriculum. And it has been such a immense learning experience. Aarti has been a part of our editors for the last 3 that we have done. And now Aarti, tell me about this journey that we've had.
Yeah.
Lots of silent laughs and messages.
Yeah, and how first of all, heartiest congratulations to both of us. We did such a big random event, and of course thanks to Mona because of her he was connected to high schools. And we would really do such a fantastic event we are able to put up today. So yeah, it's been a great journey. It's been very
Yes.
connected on, I think, during COVID times, then we were online, and then we actually developed. So now, yeah, I've got a very close friend.
skill that has to be reinforced is concentration. Concentration linked to focus. And the third is, again, something else that's already been mentioned today, which is resilience linked to self-regulation.
Today I have with us Mohana, and Mohana is in Dubai, and we are heading the global schools here. And she is instrumental in today's event and this entire network. I would like to thank you. And also, hear from you a little about the university and the program. How excited are you?
I'm absolutely excited. In fact, the first day that Aarti came to me with this particular idea, I was manifesting this for a very long time. And I think that telepathy somewhere hit each other. And looking at his PDF and Mrs. Asha being on board, our management also thought it was a great idea to be positioning ourselves as the thought leader in this particular field, which is changing so much in today's times that we need to start the conversations, continue those conversations, bring in that expected result. So thank you to ECDF and Mr. Asha for considering us as good partners.
And thank you so much for this amazing editorial conference.
Most welcome, Asami.
Goal. And actually, when we look at our new framework that we are currently on, which is a year start from 0 to 8 years, we are working on this in the Ministry of Education now as a federal, policy, and we are focusing most of.
I'm the principal of the Beltala Center, Tender Pages. But before that, I am the ECDF member from 2019, and this is a turning point of my life that I have joined the ECDF, and I'm really grateful to God and the Vasmi ma'am. And though I have attended national and state level conference, but this is my first international conference, and I have learned lots of things. And yesterday we visited 2 schools. Today we are in another school, and their conference preparation is going on. It's very helpful, and thank you to all.